Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial on how to update Microsoft Edge in 2025. If you're using Windows or another compatible system, keeping your browser up to date is crucial for better security, faster performance, and access to the latest features like enhanced privacy tools and AI integrations. Let's get straight into it, step by step, so you can do this in under a minute. First things first, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can find it on your desktop, taskbar, or in your Start menu. Just click that familiar blue E icon. Once it's launched, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. That's the menu button. Give it a click to expand your options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to customizing your browser. Now, in the Settings tab, scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find About Microsoft Edge. It's usually under the System or General section, but don't worry, it's easy to spot. Click on About Microsoft Edge, and the browser will automatically check for any available updates. If there's a new version waiting, it will start downloading and installing right away. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and once it's done, you might need to restart Edge for the changes to take effect. That's all there is to it. But hey, if you're running into issues, like updates not showing up, try a few troubleshooting tips. Ensure your internet connection is stable, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, or check for updates through Windows settings by going to Update and Security, Windows Update. This method can sometimes catch browser updates too. Updating regularly keeps you safe from potential vulnerabilities and ensures a smoother browsing experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.